and it's a covered pie plate. Now, this is the Woodland collection, and so this is a very special edition. As a matter of fact, I think this is the only covered pie dish in the Woodland collection. Look at how it has that wood grain going through it. Now, we don't have a ton of these. There is no reorder. Obviously, this is great for holidays, for making pies and casseroles and things like this. But if you live in a household of 1, 2, 3, or 4, this is a great baker for you as well. Now, I have the gray with me here on set. There are 600 remaining in the gray. Here's the slate blue. Most limited. There are fewer than 150. And then we also have the taupe color. There are 550 remaining. It's dishwasher, microwave, fridge, freezer, and oven safe. And for 21 years, we have adored our Temp-tations, and this is a beautiful addition to that collection. It's 5 easy payments of $5.60. And Lisa Lasorte, even after the raucous nature of our last presentation, is coming back in to join us yet again. And Lisa Lasorte is the Vice President of Merchandising and Broadcasting. Lisa, thank you for coming back.
Well, I mean, I was questioning it. I don't know how to follow MC. I'm not kidding. And I'm going to call him as soon as I'm done here because, I mean, he got some good one-liners in there. This is just really pretty and affordable and beautiful. And you're right, Mary. We don't have any other Woodland pie servers. Think of it as a covered baker, though, and we don't have any more coming in this year. Oh. So I'm holding the slate blue, which I just wanted to give a call out. Like, if you love confetti or those spring colors, that slate blue is that, like, little nod of blue and periwinkle all mixed together, and it's gorgeous. But let's start with the bottom of the dish. Absolutely stunning. So you get that great low-profile baker. If you're new to Woodland, Woodland is that beautiful textured wood grain design. Has a glass glaze that literally brings it to life. And then look what we did right here. We added that domed lid, all the accents that Tara's always sure to include, so the top is textured as well. But this is oven safe to 500 degrees. It goes in the microwave, the refrigerator, the freezer, the dishwasher. So all you have to do is pick your favorite color. But look at all the great things you can do. Perfect for a pie, right? So cute, right?
Oh,
and
that's
by the
adorable.
way, I like when we don't have a lot of covered stoneware pieces, period.
Correct.
But here's what I love about it. Like, we take good care of Mother Earth because we're not pulling out plastics, we're not pulling out foils. That's now my lid. That is my store. And look what we did here, Mary, as well. We did a beautiful cheesecake. So it's great for pasta bakes, 7-layer dips, side dishes, potatoes, salmon, chicken. You get the idea.
I love it.
Fabulous piece.
I love so much that you and I are talking about all these other great ideas. But every time we're like, but here's a cheesecake. And then we're like, you know what? It would be great for casseroles and dips. Here's a pie. Like, you can tell where our hearts are. But I love the fact that we don't have a huge amount of these left to go around. On set with me, I've got it in the gray. 550 remain. We also have it available in the slate blue. There's only 120 left. And then finally we have it in the taupe. Now, this is a limited edition. There is no reorder, and this is the Woodland collection. This is the collection that was added to the Temp-tations family recently, and I'm just gonna call it, we all freaked out. I collect Woodland, so many people collect Woodland, and the beautiful thing is that wood grain is what matches all of the collections together. Feel free to get your covered pie plate in any color that you would like to be an accent color, because this right here, Mr. D and I use the pie plates from Temp-tations all the time for dinner for 2. You can put the chicken breasts in one side. You can put the potatoes or the veggies in the other side. And now you're making a sheet pan supper for 2 people in your pie dish. So don't let the name keep you, you know, constrained in what you're going to use it for. You can use it for so much. And now with that lid, it's like you're top down and bottom up cooking at the same time.
At the same time, because when I lift this over, you'll see, Mary, I actually did a pasta bake right here. Nice. Kevin can come in closely so I can show you. Look at this. First of all, look at the steam that escapes from here. You can see that. That's because of this great lid is domed as well. So all the moisture is gonna just gather right in here. But this is stoneware, so it's oven safe to 500 degrees. It's microwave, refrigerator, freezer safe. But Mary, I love what you said. remember, Temptations is every day to holiday. So yeah, it's great while it's wintertime and we're using our ovens a lot. But fast forward to the summer when you have your salads and your potato salads. Now, it will also keep your cold foods colder longer. So the fact that this is 365 days a year, and again, it will take you from everything from pies to cheesecakes back here. You mentioned some great ideas with your side dishes, stuffing, potatoes, and then your pasta bakes. But no more coming in this year. And I love how neutral all of these colors are.
Too.
Just picture, and these are really all the colors right in front of me. Here's the slate blue, here's the gray, here's the taupe. They're all that farmhouse chic look. I'm obsessed with this collection.
They're so, so cute. And question for you, if I'm buying at the store a pre-made pie shell to fit in here, do I get an 8 or a 9-inch?
So I would do a 9-inch.
Okay,
you want to get it as close as possible. And then what you can do is kind of like tuck it in. You know how they're pliable still?
Yes.
This is just truly one of those pieces. And you know what? When I look at the price, Mary, think of what you pay for a metal pie dish.
Oh my gosh.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
This comes with a lid, and we just showed you it's really not a pie dish. I mean, it is a pie dish, but it's not a pie dish.
And I love the fact you've got all the colors in front of you. You've got the gray, the slate blue.
Yes, here's the gray.
And then the taupe in the back. So all 3 colors are still available. It's 5 easy payments of $560. No reorder. But Lisa has one more item from Temp-tations to share with us in just a little bit, and I can't wait for you to see it. Lisa, thank you, my friend. Thank you. See you in a minute. By the way, here's a little sneak peek of it. It's the kettle.